founder of the website handagafunda.com. And today I'm here to talk to you about a free class that I'm taking on Saturday at 8 p.m. That is this Saturday, 29th of August. Now, as you might know, CAT 2020 is scheduled for 29th of November, which is exactly 3 months away from the class. Now, in these 90 days, there are multiple things that you can do. If you are a candidate who is at 60, 70 odd percentile, then you can very easily get to a 90 to 95 range. On the other hand, if you are already at 80, 85, then getting to 90, 95 is very easy. So the question is, what should you do to get from 60, 70 to 90 or to do from 80, 85 to 95? Well, that is what we will be discussing in the upcoming class on Saturday at 8 p.m. I'll talk about what the important topics are, how should you plan your preparation from now till the exam, which mocks you should take, how many mocks you should take, and most importantly, how you should analyze those mocks. And all of this would be covered in a roughly 1 hour slot on Saturday at 8 p.m. This class will be completely free for anyone and everyone to attend, but you will need to register for it. And to register for it, all you need to do is visit our website handagafunda.com. On the website, you will see multiple links, multiple places to fill up a Google form, which will ask you your name and email ID. Once you enter that, before the class, we will email you a link on which you can attend it. The platform that we will be conducting this class on is YouTube, so you don't need any special software or any apps. Just click on the link at the appropriate time and you will be able to attend it. So with that, I'd like to wrap up this video and I hope to see all of you at 8 p.m. on Saturday, 29th August. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of future videos.